Dear student, now I give lecture on vector groups of three-phase transformers. That means the phase difference between the LV, that means low voltage winding line voltages, lacks the HV, that means high voltage winding line voltage. So which is measured in the units of 30 degree in a clockwise direction only. Therefore, the vector groups of three-phase transformers are divided into four groups. So the first group is minus 30 degree is nothing but the 30 degree lag. The plus 30 degree phase shift is nothing but the 30 degree lead. 0 degree phase shift means there is no phase shift between the LV line voltage and HV line voltage. The group 4 is the 180 degree phase shift, that means the reversal with respect to, that means the line or phase or to the neutral voltages only. So the four groups we can easily understand the concept by using, that means clock position only. So now you see the clock position, the 12 o'clock position. This is nothing but the clock conversion only. That means the third numerical figure conveys the angle of phase shift based on the clock conversion only. Based on this, we have to clearly understand the four vector groups of three-phase transformers. So the first one is the 12 o'clock, that is the 1 o'clock position. The 1 o'clock position, so here and all, minute hand is used to represent the primary phase to neutral voltage, and the hour hand represents the secondary phase to neutral voltage. That is, phase to neutral means phase voltage only. So therefore is nothing but minute hand represents the primary phase voltage, the hour hand represents the secondary phase voltage. So and then in this case, the first diagram, the clock represents 1 o'clock position. 1 o'clock position means is nothing but a 30 degree lag, that is the minus 30 degree phase shift only, minus 30. That is, in this case, which one is minute hand, which one is the hour hand? That means that is the 1 o'clock is nothing but the hour hand only. That is the small arrow mark. The 1 o'clock, that is the hour hand only. The 12 o'clock, that arrow mark only represents that is the minute hand only. So the 1 o'clock position represents the minus 30 degree phase shift or 30 degree lag. The second one is the 11 o'clock position is nothing but the plus 30 degree phase shift or is nothing but the 30 degree lead. The 12 o'clock position represents the 0 degree phase shift, is nothing but there is no phase shift between the primary that is the LV winding and HV winding voltage, that is the primary and secondary winding voltages. Then the 6 o'clock position is nothing but the 180 degree phase shift. Okay, so from the clock conversion we can clearly understand the four groups of vector groups of three-phase transformers. So now you see the first group YY0. The capital Y represents the primary, that means winding. The small y represents the secondary winding only. Appa YY0, the 0 represents what? 0 degree phase shift. Appa YY0 means that is a star connection only, but 0 degree phase shift only. Now you see the diagram. So the left hand side, the diagram what? Winding. That winding only is nothing but what? A to B to C to, and then small a to small b to small t. So the small letter label the secondary, the capital letter label the primary of the transformer only. So in this case what means 0 degree phase means the phase difference between the high voltage, that is the HV phase voltage, and LV, that is the voltage, is 0 degree only. So the star connection, now you see star. Then Then YY6 connection. YY6 connection means the phase difference between the phase voltage of HV side and LV side, that means is 180 degree. Now you see, that means that is the primary is that is the YY, that is star connection. The secondary also star connection, but that means the both the shift is 180 degree. You see, capital A to B to phasor diagram C2 is nothing but that is the then one. Then you can secondly, that another diagram you can see small a to b2, that is the 180 degree phase shift. Now you see, this is the YY6. I already told 6 o'clock question means 180 degree phase shift only. Okay. So in this case, what are the advantages and disadvantages of this connection is nothing but 0 degree means no phase displacement, and then require a few turns for winding, and require less insulation level, and then handle heavy load, and then 3-wire force system. We have to use this type of vector group. Eliminate distortion in secondary phase voltage, sinusoidal voltage on secondary side, and then it is used as a auto transformer also, and then better protective railing. The disadvantages only the problem in the third harmonic issue, and then over voltage at lighting load, and voltage drop at unbalanced load, and then overheated transformer tank. Then next, that is the over voltage at light load, distortion of secondary voltage, neutral shifting. These are the disadvantages. And then applications and all is nothing but that means is the these type of transformers is economical for small high voltage transformers only. And the next one is delta. In the delta connection, two connection, one is 0 degree phase shift, another one is this is the 180 degree. The 0 capital D, small d, 0. Capital D means primary connection, small d means secondary connection, 0 means 0 degree phase shift. Similarly, capital D, small d, 6, DD6 means primary, secondary, 180 degree phase shift. Now you see the diagram. The first diagram, that is the 1.11 diagram, is nothing but the 0 degree phase shift, but both primary and that means secondary is the delta connection. That means the phase angle difference between the phase voltage of HV and LV side is 0 degree. The second one, the figure 1.19 is nothing but a DD6 is nothing but the phase angle difference or the phase shift. That means the phase difference between the phase voltage of the high voltage side and low voltage side is 180 degree only. So this is the vector group of this. In this case, what are the advantages of these type of delta connection means sinusoidal voltage at secondary, suitable for unbalanced load, no distortion in secondary voltage, economical for low voltage, and then cross section of conductor, and then absence of third harmonic. The third harmonic is the drawback in the star, but that means it's overcome in the delta connections only. So, and then disadvantages is nothing but the absence of the neutral point. Delta means there is no neutral point. That's why these type of connections we are used in the that is only 3-wire system, not suitable for 3-phase 4-wire system only. And then more insulation is required because the voltage appearing between the winding and core will be equal to full line voltage. In delta, line voltage is equal to phase voltage, that's why more insulation is required. This is the drawback of star, but delta, this is the drawback of delta, but is the advantages of a star connection. And then applications is this is suitable for large and low voltage transformers, and then these type of the connections are normally used in some industrial facilities. That is the SLG fault, that is the line ground faults, that is single ground, that is the line fault we are using. These are the applications. Then next, star delta connection, that means either primary star, secondary delta, otherwise primary delta, secondary star, like that. This is the star delta connection. So therefore YD1, YD11. I already know 1 o'clock position means what? That is the 1 o'clock position is nothing but the 30-degree phase shift. That is the lag only. So the 11 o'clock position is nothing but what? That is the 30-degree lead position. So in this diagram you can see the diagram 30 that is minus 30 degree and then plus 30 degree. The figure 1.2 is nothing but the minus 30 degree phase shift. That is the 30 degree lag only. So the primary winding, you remember always, that means what? That is the capital letter and small letter only. We have to differentiate that is the primary and secondary. In this case, what happened? The phase angle difference between the phase voltage of the HV side and LV side is minus 30 degree only. But in the figure, that means 1.21, that is YD1111. In this case, the phase angle difference between the phase voltage of HV side and LV side is, that is the plus 30 degree, that is the 30 degree lead only. So in this case, what is the advantages? So the primary is star connection, the secondary is delta connection. So therefore the primary is star means fewer number of turns are required. So the neutral available on the primary can be earthed to avoid distortion only, and then a large unbalanced load can be handled satisfactory, and then the neutral points allows both type of the load, that is the single phase and three phase type of load only. It is used as a grounding transformer, and then the delta winding, that means carry the third harmonic current also, and then disadvantages is in this type of connection, that means the secondary voltage is not in phase with the primary, because secondary side is the delta, so therefore is the that means the secondary voltage is not in phase with the primary, so it is not possible to operate this connection in parallel with the star or delta connected transformer. This is the drawback of this one only. And then again the secondary should be parallel with the secondary of another transformer without phase shift. This is also a problem for the star delta connection only. Then application is nothing but is commonly employed for power supply transformers, step down transformer. This type of connections are used, and then these type of connections are commonly employed at the substation end of the transmission line only. This is the application of So in this lecture video you can clearly study about the that is the vector group of three phase transformer. Only we studied of that is the three type of connection only: star delta star delta. Thank you student for watching this video.